This is how the money that we have invested closed Q3. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of the Money Market Fund Weekly Review Show, which is your biggest money market fund updates show. And today we start with very good news. By the way, inflation rate, as you can see, for September recorded the lowest it has ever been in a very long time. This means that for you who had your money invested, you made so much more than you lost. This is a good sign pia economically. However, effect yake unaweza kosa kuifeel sana apart from the part where food prices utanotice zimeshuka kiasi. On the other hand, the treasury bills zimeshuka pia kidogo tu from where they were. So we shall see how this has affected our money market funds investments. Looking at the dollar money market fund over here, the leading company as at the end of September closed with 6.90%, which is a slight increase from the previous results. And that's Etica. NCIC ili close our top 11 with 5.01%, dropping slightly from 5.27 yenye ilikuwa in the previous report. 7 companies are in red, meaning that walikuwa na slight decline. KCB ka maintain, Nabo na Old Mutual na Lofty, they had a slight improvement, shown in green. Recently, the United States Central Bank ili lower interest rates for the first time in more than 4 years with a bigger than usual cut. By the way, the Federal Reserve ili reduce the target for its key lending rate by 0.5% hapo hivyo, which brought it to a range of 4.75 to 5%, and this definitely will be affecting the interest rates even further, but we shall be looking at that. Nanta, make sure niko hapa to report on the same, make sure una follow. And now when we take a look at the fixed income funds, Kuza ili maintain a lead and also ili maintain what they had given us in the previous ambao ni 16.27%, and the rest of the top 5 companies, that is number 2 hadi number 5, they had a slight increase from what they posted in the previous results. All the rest, as you can see hapa hivi, we are showing red, which means they had a decline, and the last company maintained the same position. Hiyo ni Orient hapo. Zimele had a slight drop, and Absa, I think, is becoming our new erratic company, yeah, with very sharp rises and drops week after week. I'll be keeping an eye on it. And for those who'd like to advertise, by the way, or promote your brand or product in these shows, situkutane WhatsApp alafu we talk about it. Anyway, and last but not least, when we look at the money market funds, which is where the huge chunk of our money is invested, the average had a slight drop from 15.45% to 15.31%, and that kind of reflects the same thing that we saw with the T-bills, but still the average is looking very good. If you haven't opened your account, by the way, what are you waiting for? You can actually use the link on my bio to get started today and use the remaining quarter to start learning and get ready for another level when we move to the following year ama next year. Anza challenge ya next year right now. That means you'll have an extra 3 months to your accumulative 12 months the next year. Na ukiweka compound interest hapo utakuwa umeenda mbali sana. And this goes out to the rest of you as well. Hata kama uko na account, anza sasa hivi to top up and gear up for next year. Well, 17 companies in our list are in red, which means walikuwa na a slight decrease ama decline from the previous results, and only 5 companies are in green this week. The rest will maintain where they were the previous week, but out of the 25 companies, still 20 of them are offering above 14% returns. Guys, these results will not last forever, so you need to take advantage of what you're seeing right now. Make sure to keep learning more about the money market funds. You can check out my series on TikTok, the Masterclass, and the endless videos free of charge. Information maze is power. In other news, I already started the series on real estate investment trust or rates, yes, and so many people have already signed up. We say that you can get started from as low as 5k a month, ama 5 million, whatever that it is that you have. Yeah, we start building wealth in the real estate industry. So please make sure to check out that video on the YouTube MoneyVersations channel. I'll be posting more videos to inform and educate you more. But to this point, I sincerely wanted to appreciate you so much for your support. Yes, you, and for the many lives that have been touched out there financially. It's all because you believed in me and shared the love. Maze, God bless you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Keep winning and see you in the next video.